The University of Messina in Italy is now accepting applications for the 2025/2026 academic year, and the deadline to apply at the University of Messina is on the 1st of September 2025, except for single cycle degree in medicine and surgery. The deadline for medicine and surgery is on the 1st of June 2025, and the application fee for this university is 15 euros. Okay, and you can apply for two programs with this application fee. The University of Messina is located in the city of Messina, and it was founded in 1548, and it is one of the oldest universities in Italy, and it's also one of the top research universities in Italy. And the tuition fee at this university is also relatively cheap. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can submit your application to the University of Messina, including available scholarships, the requirements, the eligibility criteria. They also have English taught master's programs and bachelor's programs. I will be seeing that shortly. Okay. If this is something you're interested in, stick around and watch this video to the end. First of all, you will come here and click on Study with Us, and you will scroll down. You will see application and admission. You will see English taught programs. You can scroll down to see so many other information. You will see bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, fees and fundings, postgraduate programs. So let's see fees and fundings, okay, before we move on to the programs. This is the fees and funding page, and starting from the academic year 2025/226, the university fees set by University of Messina for international students will be calculated based on the country group. So you will click here to check your country and see how your fees are calculated. All right, a fixed rate of 156 euros is due during the enrollment process. This is what you're going to pay during your enrollment process. The fees can be paid in one single installment or in 3 installments. Okay, this is relatively cheap. Okay, so you scroll down to be able to see the tuition fees for international students for the 2025/2026 academic section. And this is for Group A, particularly poor countries, according to the ministerial decree number. This is what you're going to pay. And then for Group B, low middle income countries, this is what you'll pay, which is still relatively cheap. For Group C, this is what you'll pay. And for Group D, other countries, this is what you're going to pay. You want to find out exactly what you will pay according to your country. You will click here on this country group to be able to see that, which is to say that the tuition fee for this university is between the range of 156 euros to 506 euros, which is still relatively cheap for international students. All right, and for scholarships, we can see, you click here to be able to see that. Okay, so this is the scholarship page, and the first scholarship is the CASA University of Messina. It's an innovative program providing qualified out-of-town students with a grant based on income for the rent payment, okay, to make it easier for you to attend classes. The grant holders will receive reimbursement of up to a maximum of 2,000 euros for their rent per year on the basis of the personal or family income. This is further information on that. And this university is also eligible for the ERSO scholarship. It's a regional scholarship, all right? And this scholarship is awarded based on the personal or family income of the applicant. And this is what this scholarship covers: free accommodation, free meals, international mobility, and awards for high achievements. For full information on this scholarship, you can refer to the call for scholarship, okay, or you write to this address. And that is that for the scholarship. Let's go and see the English taught programs. So this is the website for English taught programs. The University of Messina offers a growing number of undergraduate and graduate degree courses taught in English. So if you're coming for your bachelor's degree, you can also apply to this university because they have undergraduate programs being taught in the English language. If you're also coming for your graduate degree or your master's, you can as well apply. All right, and these are the programs being taught in English. Bachelor degree in business management. You can click the drop down menu to be able to view the official website. They have bachelor's degree in civil engineering, bachelor's degree in data analysis, bachelor's degree in marine biology and blue biotechnologies, bachelor's degree in political sciences and international relations, bachelor's degree in transnational and European legal studies. Then they have single cycle degree in medicine and surgery. It's a 6-year long program. Then for master's programs taught in the English language, they have master's degree in business consulting and management, master's degree in cognitive science and theory of communication, master's degree in data science, master's degree in engineering in computer science, master's degree in geophysical sciences for seismic risk, master's degree in physics, master's degree in quantitative methods for economics and finance. So these are the programs I found at this university being offered in the English language. And you would want to click on your field of study to be able to see more information and the requirements. So this is now the official website of this master's degree in data science. So you will click on that. When you scroll down, you're going to see language is English. The access is free access, okay? And this is the department, and the location is in Messina. It's a 2 years program, and it's a 120 credits program as well. And you can scroll down to see some other information, the study plan, incoming student guide. You can read that out on your own depending on the program that you are coming for. All right, and you can as well read up on each of these topics. Okay, contact services, graduating, studying, enrolling the course. And when you click on enrolling, you'll be able to see more information on what you would need to be able to apply to this particular program. And these are the prerequisites for you to apply for this program: a 3-year degree, that's your bachelor's degree and your transcripts. A 3-year degree classes in this obtained throughout the national Italian territory or another qualification obtained abroad recognized as suitable, which guarantees direct access to the master's degree program. Alternatively, a 3-year degree or university diploma or equivalent 3-year degree obtained throughout the national territory or other qualification obtained abroad recognized as suitable. In addition to all of these, okay, for if you're coming for this program, these are the subjects you must have covered in your previous studies. Okay, and you also need a knowledge of the English language. It's a necessary condition for successful attendance of the course, and a knowledge of English certification at a level equal to or greater than B2 of the Common European Framework of Reference for the knowledge of languages is required. So it's a general requirement for international students to provide an English language certificate assessing at least B2 level according to the Common European Framework, all right? Unless they belong to one of the categories exempt from the international language. They stated here that the reason for this is that they have a large number of study visa applications. So during the review, they will tend to consider students with an international English language certificate. Students can apply without an international English language certificate, but their application might be considered incomplete. In this case, the applicant will have 30 days to provide the required document, and these are the international English language certificates that are accepted. You can read that up. They have the IELTS, the PTE academic, Cambridge assessments in English. They have other ones down here. You read that up as well. Then they have exemption from the international English language certificate. The first one is you are a native English speaking student coming from one of the following countries or territories: Antigua and Barbuda, Australia, the Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, the British Overseas Territories, Canada, Dominica, Grenada, Guyana, Ireland, Jamaica, Malta, New Zealand, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, you read that up, Tobago, UK, USA, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenadines, okay, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago. Then the second one is that students with a qualification resulting from a degree program taught entirely in English, issued by a higher education institution in one of the countries or territories listed above, and students who have obtained a diploma with program entirely taught in the English language. So what this means is that as an international student coming from any of these countries, you're exempted from providing the English language certificate. But if you are an international student, you're not from here, but you have obtained this diploma taught entirely in English, then you are also exempted. But then, like we saw earlier, priority will be given to those who have submitted the English language proficiency certificate. Okay, and if you're ready with all of your application documents, you come here and click on apply now, and it will take you to this place where you are going to register. Okay, you click on register and you type in your email address and you fill in your password here. It should be 10 or more characters, at least 10 characters, one upper letter, one lowercase letter, and one number, then one special character, which includes this. And when you're done filling in your password, you come here, confirm your password, and you fill your first name, your last name, your ID number, which is the number on your international passport. And then when you register, they will send you an email concerning your application. You have to, of course, take care that you wish to receive other information through your email. And when you're done with that, you click on register. And you have now registered on the University of Messina portal. Okay, then you scroll down and click on start application. And you click on start. All right. This is now the University of Messina application form. Please note, for the academic year 2024/225, all application deadlines for University of Messina degree programs have expired. Information about the application deadlines for the academic year 25/26 will be made available at application and admission, which we have said earlier. I have talked about the application deadline earlier, which is on the 1st of September 2025, but you can still find that information here. Okay, and make sure that all your documents and certificates are not falsified, because it will result in disciplinary action. So for you to start this application, you will click on yes for this question. Do you need a visa? Of course you need a visa, yes. And your country of residence, you will choose that from here. Then you'll be able to choose your program of choice. You will click on program type. If you're coming for your bachelor's, if you're coming for master's, single cycle and vocational masters, you choose that from here. Okay, I'll be choosing a master's degree program, and then you select your program. Is it data science, engineering, and all that? Then you can choose that. For this is just an example. Okay, I'll be going with data science for the purpose of this application. Then you choose your nationality, and you choose the intake that you are coming for. All right, first call 2025 visa, you choose that, and you click on next. You wait for it to load, and this is where you'll be able to fill in your personal details, your surname or family name, your first name, your date of birth. You will choose that from the drop down menu. Okay, yeah, this field is mandatory. Okay, all right, you choose that from here. And here it says, please upload your recent passport size photograph in JPG format. So you need a passport, a recent passport size photograph, and then you convert it to JPEG format. You upload that from here. All right. Okay, so when you have uploaded your photo, you click you choose your gender from here, and you fill in your city of birth and your country of birth from this drop down from this list. And your passport number is already here. You will choose you upload your passport, and when you are done with that, you come here to fill in your street number and then your address line. And you scroll down, and then you fill in your city, your postcode here as well. You select your country from here, and you select your country code from here for your contact telephone number, and you type the rest of your phone number in here. And you have to understand that anything you see here marked with asterisk is important. All right, when you're done with this page, you click on next. For your language, you have to specify your level of language competence, and you come here and select that. Fill in the International English Awarding Institution. If you have your IELTS, you put that here. If you have your PTE or your Cambridge, you put that here. If you have from your English Taught program, you also put the name of your institution here. Okay, then you click here to upload. Then you click on next. For your education and experience, here you choose yes for high school diploma. You upload your transcripts here. You select your field of studies, and you only select if it's applicable. You fill in your high school diploma final grade here. If you do not have your final diploma or degree yet, please type the predicted grade. okay, or not applicable. So you can type not applicable here. Then you specify the name of your high school here as indicated on the certificate that you have, and you select the country of high school diploma. Select the years of school. Is it 10 to 11 or 12 to 13 years? You select that from here. You select if you did a university entry test, you choose that. If you have other qualifications, you can as well select that from here. And for your higher education, you select your most recent or ongoing degree from here. You upload your academic degree or certificate of attendance. Then if this is a provisional document or the official diploma, you select it from here. So if you already have your official certificate, you select it from here. Choose your date of issue, the day, the month and year, and you also fill in the institution of most recent or ongoing degree. You type the name here, okay? This is where you choose your country, the country of the most recent degree, the year of graduation. Then you upload your official transcripts or mark sheets. And here you choose your major subject of most recent or ongoing degree. And you select your field of study, you select your final GPA. If you do not have your final diploma or your degree yet, please type the predicted grade, or you choose not applicable. Then you see here further qualifications. If you have any further qualifications, you choose yes. If not, you choose no. And you scroll down to see more. Professional experience. You choose yes if you have any professional experience, and no if you do not have any professional experience. And this is where you upload your CV. Please upload your Europass CV, okay? If you don't know how to do that, you can click here to be able to see how you can prepare your Europass CV. And your professional experience. Do you have any professional experience? If you have, yes. If you have any professional experience, you can click on yes, and you will see more things for you to fill in. Okay, you fill in your experience, your duration, your company name or association, the sector, the country, name and job title of supervisor, and your reference letter from your job. But if you don't have one, you choose no and click on next. And the next is your application fee. The application fee is just 15 euros, okay? And you fill in your first name, your surname, your address line, your postcode, your city, your country, and your email address. And the application fee is this, okay? And if you're ready with your application fee, you can click on pay now after filling up all of these things. All right, the application fee, I think in Naira, the application fee is about, this 15 euro is about 24,510 Naira, which is not much. Okay, you can pay for this application fee and you can submit 2 applications with this application fee. If you're ready to pay, you click on pay now, and then when you click on next, you'll be able to see submit. Okay, we haven't paid this application fee, that's why it's not taking it good for us, all right, for this application. But when you're submitting your application and you have paid this application fee, it will take it for you. Then this is the submit, where you will submit your application and you answer all of these things. How did you first find about the program? You click on this via the University of Messina website, and you're going to read up all of these things, and you will tick yes to agree with the declaration above. And you also read this one and you tick yes for I have read the privacy policies mentioned above, and you accept them by ticking yes. When you are done with everything, you click on submit, and that is it. It's not that hard. All right, this is it for the application process for the University of Messina for the 2025/2026 academic section. Okay, I wish you all the best in your application, and I can't wait to hear your success story, because the sky is your starting point. All right, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section and I will reply. Okay, and if you need any help submitting your application to UK universities, we do that. I and my team at Stone Education, we do that for you for free of charge. You're the one to pay your tuition fee, all right? But to process your application to UK universities, the service fee is free. We process applications to other countries like Mauritius, Japan, South Korea, US, Canada, China, Netherlands. If you need help submitting your application to UK universities, we'll do that for you free of charge without any service fee. Okay, you'll be the one to pay your tuition fee and every other thing, right? But then the service fee to submit your application to UK universities is free of charge. So you can contact me via my email if you're interested in UK universities, and I will connect you to my team at Stone Education. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.